Hello friend, this is Harsh Verma from Royal Trading Lab. Market and stock idea for the next week, that is 6th of June to 11th of June. Disclaimer, I am not a savvy research advisor. Nothing in this presentation constitutes investment advice, trading advice, stock recommendations. My opinion are for education purpose only. This is a market report. On Friday, Nifty closed at 16,584. It's down 43 points. In Nifty, advanced stock are 11 and down 39. On Friday, VIX closed at 19.97, is down slightly 1.70%. Nifty Auto down 1.82%. Nifty IT slightly up 0.37%. Nifty Media down 1.52%. Nifty Pharma again down 0.65. Nifty Metal down 1.27%. Well, last week where in metal, auto, media, pharma are pressure. On Friday, gainers are Reliance is up 1.97%, Infi 0.98%, L&T 0.79%. On loser side, Grasim down 6.53%. Ultra Cement again 5.5% down. Sri Cement down 4.64%. Maruti down 2.79%. They are the winner and loser on Friday. Our last week walking on Nifty and some stock idea. Last week in Nifty, we can identify that key resistance for the week is 16,800 and support is 16,000. On Friday, Nifty closed at 16,584. According to our recommendations, market closed between our support and resistance points. Our stock recommendation number one is Zomato Limited. Our target is 70 and 75. Both targets are made in Zomato in this week. Next stock is our last week our recommendation GIL. And GIL again more than 5% already written are there. Main target is 270 is awaited. Last week our pick is Western Enterprises. Target for this stock is 100. This target already achieved. All our three stock are our recommendation in the last week, and they give beautiful results. Now, for the coming week, that is 6th of June to 11th of June, what is the Nifty going to be happen in Nifty and stock idea? Well, in the coming week, Nifty can be traded between 16,900 and 16,200. They are the two key point for the Nifty. If come down to around 16,200 is taking the support and try to move upsides. Our strategy for the Nifty is if a market going to close near to the 16,900 and try to take the short from upsides. On down, if market initially come down to 16,200, try to take the long position. They are our strategy. If both the point are break, then next support is 16,000. On upper side resistance is 17,236. But our walking mostly market in the coming week in this sideways range. Number one stock for the coming week is Nitin Spinning. Entry point is 224 to 236. Stop loss is 216 and target is 254 to 264. All level are for the education purpose only. Next stock is Jacob Limited. Entry 118 to 124. Stop loss is 112 and target is 136 to 140. Our next stock is Greenply Industries Limited. Entry for this is 175 to 182. Stop loss is 170 and target is 193 to 199. All labels are for the education purpose only, guys. Well, Royal Trading Lab do trainings and mentoring in stock market, portfolio designing, consulting, stock market, simplify for everyone. Our USP is hand-holding and simplicity. Anyone can learn stock market. Only one quality required, that is passion to the learn. Our wealth creation mantra is earn short term and invest long term. Thank you, friends. Have a good day. Goodbye. Thanks a lot.